you guys. What happened to our, well, we got Liquid Sunshine. We're back at SR Auto Group. We got Dave with us in the vlog today.
How you been? You good?
These guys are amazing.
You good?
They missed you.
Miss you guys too.
Do you guys miss them? Hey?
A little bit.
Just comment below. We've got the 720 GTR, we got Dave's Huracan. They got so much done, as you saw in the last video with the supercharger. They took that entire roof system out, and I'm excited to see how that looks. This is what I really need. I need this in my life right now. I need a 6x6 in my life. This is, right now, this is on the auction. Remember how I told you guys we're gonna auction off that triple black Ford GT? Ford GT sold. Guess how much it sold for? It actually went for 1.15 USD. So they're quite happy with those results. And the 6x6 right now has 5 or 6 days left on the old bid. This is already at 700,000. Raymond figures 900. If it broke $1 million, he'd be ecstatic.
How much was this brand new when you would have bought this from Mercedes?
More than you and I can afford, pal. I don't know.
Hey Siri.
Siri, how much was a G-Wagon 6x6 MSRP?
It's 511,000.
You bought this brand new, you made a cool $500,000 profit.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
More importantly, let's go and look at how the Huracan Evo Aperta is coming. Holy wow.
It doesn't look like a car anymore.
Well, the other half of the car is gone. Holy sh**.
He drove into a semi and took everything off the top.
That is crazy. We have the air boxes over here, and we have the new Evo Sport comfort seats right here. These are really cool.
Hey! What's the bore size in there?
Learn something with Damon about cars. Learn nothing. You guys want to see this? This is actually really shocking. Really, really, really shocking. Holy crap. And I'll just do the reveal. Look at that. There is really not a whole lot to the top of that car anymore.
That's crazy.
Isn't it crazy? Because now the humps are gone. My humps, my lovely lady lumps. Check it out. Well, now you can see why they have to take the entire roof system out to get to the engine.
Holy
it sits.
How many miles are on this car, Damon?
Like 35, 40 miles.
On a 2021 Evo.
Not like 3,500, 35 or 40 miles on this car. This is a brand new Evo. We're digging in. You wonder why it smells like gasoline?
Yeah, I wonder why.
Because that's all gasoline right there.
Oh, it's actually that. Okay, that's that.
You can see the new suspension in there, the Novatech suspension lowering kit. Well, this is crazy. The scent of fuel in here is quite pungent.
The other day I drove my G-Wagon. Driving the G-Wagon, also I could smell fuel. It dumped half a tank of the back. Here's a video to show you guys. It started leaking fuel. All right, so you see where I was coming in, and then when I stopped, obviously it's pulling up there, and I moved it over here. So that's really, really bad. We have to figure out where this thing's leaking. Like, it's just dumping fuel. The fumes are crazy. So anyways, that's really dangerous. We're gonna get this taken care of.
Dave survived the G-Wagon fuel disaster.
3 weeks for a new fuel line. 3 weeks from Germany.
So now you're driving, you went and bought another Mercedes because they're so reliable.
I bought a 550.
So reliable.
I love
Bought another Mercedes after the other Mercedes broke down. That is a dedicated
It's warranted.
Mercedes.
It's warranted.
Yeah, you're warranted.
Okay, Lamborghinis are cool and all. You know what's cooler? Playing Raid Shadow Legends, you guys. Let's get straight into the game. Let's do this right here. All right, you guys, first things first, check out the crazy graphics. Now, this is my iPhone. It legit looks like a console game. This game is legit addicting. Lots of time we're sitting around the shop waiting for superchargers to go on cars and cutting off windshields. A lot of downtime. Play Raid Shadow Legends, legitimately. When I'm back home on the island, Damon's making videos, I'm working on other stuff, I'm playing Raid Shadow Legends. All right, guys, let's talk about shards. Head to the portal and let's summon some shards. Ready for this? Boom. The thing is, it doesn't matter if you get a good one or a bad one because they're all useful. If you get a good one, you can use them to level up. If you get a bad one, you can sacrifice it in order to level up your good champions. Like Damon before his diet.
Well, what's up, dude? Squire level 1. Look at the graphics. Look at that armor.
I want to thank Raid for sponsoring today's video. Raid is free to play and available for both mobile and desktop. Raid is constantly bringing out new champions, and here's some concept art for some of the ones they're currently working on. Check out the detail in these guys. You just don't see that kind of quality and detail in the mobile game. I really like this one, you guys, and I cannot wait to see what they're all about. So what are you waiting for? You can find me under the username Dave_DDE. Click on the link in the description to download Raid now and get exclusive rewards. If you're a new player, you'll get 50,000 silver, 50 gems, 1 energy refill, 1 clan boss key, 5 mystery shards, 1 day XP booster, and 1 free champion, the Hex Weaver, which is a really awesome champion you can only usually get after playing the game for quite a while. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. The rewards will be available only for new players and only for the next 30 days. Do me a favor right now, download Raid, links are in description. I'll be on the game when this video goes live for 1 hour. Come find me, Dave_DDE. Legit, I'll be there. I'm playing Raid Shadow Legends.
check this out. This is the entire roof system out of the car. That is some thingamajigger rig that you have to use to get that up.
Get it up. Whoa.
And then this is all carbon, you know that? This entire thing's made out of carbon fiber. It's pretty cool. Can you grab it? You can pick that up, Dave. You're strong enough.
Intake plenum, is that what this is called? Just lie. The internet just lie.
That's sick.
Crazy how close it looks the exact same.
I know it does.
That's insane.
They nailed it. Good job. The best part is, look at this. Gloss black.
Yeah.
Man, this is gonna look so good when it's on. I'm honestly so excited. You guys excited? Supercharged, lightweight. Now we're gonna actually try, aren't we, Martin? He left. We're gonna try to figure He left the room. Martin has left the chat. We're gonna try to remove this roof permanently. So they're gonna try to take all of this bracketry off. Now this will have to go back on. This is the wall. But they're gonna try to remove all this bracketry and all weight savings. We're gonna go for the world's first Huracan Evo Superleggera.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna add another name to the list. This is going to be the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Veloce.
Hey, no, get over here. Get over here.
Aperta Superleggera. Hey, Raymond, get over here. We already saw you, son of. What's up? Got a lot done after I left.
Not me, Martin.
Thanks for doing that. You know, the idea of these videos is that we film the progress, Raymond, okay?
Why you have to swear?
Because apparently I'm a douchebag. Every video, Raymond's at the end of my videos.
Not
Damon, you f***ing douchebag.
Not at the end of every video, all time.
All the time. This is all the time. This is insane. Now, do you have confidence that you guys can separate this and put just the wall back on and make it drive?
Well, we don't know if we're gonna actually take this apart yet. Let's tackle one thing at a time. That supercharger's on the ground. And
That's awesome. So Raymond is gonna make this happen. You guys heard it here. It's on the internet. If they can do this, I'm sure they can figure out how to attach that. Right?
That's crazy, dude.
It's crazy. We're making progress, boys and girls. We're making progress. Woo! Torn down. No, we gotta go. We gotta finish your head tattoo.
You guys have to finish my head tattoo.
Right?
It's crazy.
It's so crazy.
Also hurts.
It does hurt. You're gonna stick around to the end for that one. We're following Nick's instructions, so we gotta do a crank pulley.
Crank pulley, check.
Next is idler bracket. Boom. Then we're gonna have to do the alternator pulley and the side radiators, which this car can't stay here because it's gonna have to go on a lift to get to the radiators, which are up in the sides here. Somewhere in here, right in here. But look, it's coming along. We got the blower on. Next thing you know, we're gonna have 840 horsepower. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Beautiful.
Doesn't it look great?
Big banana. Or a cell phone from the 80s.
Yeah, talk to it.
Can you hear me now? No? Yeah, I can't hear you either. It's all good.
Why don't we leave these guys to finish off this? This is such a big project. We kind of are in their hair, walking around with a camera every 2 seconds. And we'll go do your head tattoo, and then we'll continue on with these guys. What do you got? Holy crap. What are these?
they're called traditional madeleines.
Not good for my diet. So you guys are problem solving a fuel pump. We have a fuel pump issue. So this is supposed to have dual fuel pumps. So this beautiful piece of art we were looking at yesterday, what we're trying to figure out.
You broke it.
I didn't break it.
Okay.
Is that this filter is currently sitting in the way of where the other fuel pump is supposed to go, right? Problem is we need to have this sitting in here somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Which doesn't make sense like that.
Somewhere in here, somewhere over there.
And then that's all got to get
somewhere over here.
Packaged back together, and it needs to go back into there, into the fuel. Ooh, that smell of 94.
Little taste test. 94 octane.
They didn't put 94 in it.
This, what?
They put 87 in it.
For real? It's all gonna get sorted out. These guys are working on it. Look at all the parts we got going on here. But we're gonna get out of your hair. We're gonna leave it in your good, capable hands. We'll be back for another update. Whatever happens, happens. We're gonna go and tattoo his head for the next 3 hours.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah,
Yeah. Dave, you son of a...
If you don't tell the audience what it says, okay? Ooh. Messed up, right? You'll see.
Okay, we'll be back. We'll be back. We are here in the bustling metropolis of Salt Lane. Don't know what that means, but Dave's going to get the rest of his head tattooed. Put some paint on this guy or what?
I'm ready to bring the thunder. I mean, I brought my extra big needle today. I'm gonna hammer it in there.
Let's do it. I'm gonna Dave's head up.
What's the old
I'm still eating my cookies. I can't show your head. People can't see it yet.
prison way of doing it? It's a needle and ink. Like a pen.
I think we could hollow out a pen if you like. I mean, I've got some out back if you really want to make it painful. I can get a hammer. I don't want to say that Dave's. Let's put some numbing on here.
You got the numbing cream on?
Yeah.
I didn't get any numbing. I have both my sleeves done and my whole back. This guy's complaining about his head. You guys wait until you see this though. I'm telling you, the tiger on the back of his head is insane. Insane.
Slip me a 50 to put a DDE on the back of his head.
I'm just excited to see this when it's done. What color are you gonna get the eyes?
What color do you want to do the eye? The eye.
Red. So they look really mean.
I usually like to use a really vibrant red for the flames.
Yeah.
Did we mention the flames? Because there's going to be a lot.
Get 80s
At
Camaro.
what point do we show everybody?
You gotta make him wait.
Really?
You gotta work for it.
Dude, I don't know. Sit in this chair for 9 hours. I need food soon. That's looking pretty crazy.
Is it?
Yeah. Your head's really red. Like really red. I didn't want to film everything. A little whimpering, a little whining going on, but we'll get through it, guys. We'll get through it. Day 2, you guys. How's the head feeling?
It's a little sore. No, I will literally punch you in.
Hey, we gotta go. We gotta go to Lamborghini.
Yeah.
We have a
Ooh,
big day, big purchase. Excited about this purchase. You guys are gonna be excited too. So let's hit the road. You know what I need first in the mornings? I need my coffee. It's going to be a wet one today. It's as daily driven as it gets right here, guys. Look at this. Hey, I got a pool.
Yeah.
Let's get some goldfish in here. Hey?
Oh, if we actually get a goldfish and put it in there, that'd be hilarious.
That actually would be pretty funny.
Salamander.
Salamanders don't go in water. What do you think happens when I open this? Here we go. The waterfall, the carbon fiber waterfall.
Not bad.
Ah, it actually drains pretty good. Look how small Dave's frunk is compared to mine. That thing is tiny.
You see the shape of this? It's literally just fits in here if I do it like this.
Not it.
Look, it just fits. Like
One bag.
Lamborghini collector Dave Holter. That's what I wear when I go to car meet to my Lamborghini. This needs to be yellow. It needs to be yellow with yellow pants, but I didn't have any.
How excited are you guys? We're going to buy another Lamborghini right now. And it's a special one. Really special. I'm gonna go buy a Lamborghini with my McLaren. Can I come with you? Let's just leave this car here so they're not offended. I'm a purist. I'd leave all my cars stocked.
Yeah,
We're back. Lamborghini, Vancouver, hidden by the tree. I come to Lamborghini for the coffee, not the cars. Patrick, you're the man. Not only will he sell you a car, he'll make you one hell of a latte. Thank you, sir. There you are. Wow, look at that. Although I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting the latte art to be like form of an SVJ. Be appropriate. You guys should learn how to do that. Do the outline of a Lamborghini.
Get the stencil, right?
Right?
freehand it, bro.
Freehand it.
Freehand action. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna drink my coffee and we're gonna get to the car. All right, guys, here we go. Yet another special announcement coming to you from a Lamborghini Vancouver. We bought another car. Surprise, surprise. As you know, we've been looking and shopping for the very, very special replacement of the V12, the Murcielago, once it leaves the channel. Patrick, we've been working with you for quite some time.
Yes.
Lamborghini is the dominant brand on daily driven exotics. For good reason, the aggressive looks, that beautiful V10 or V12 sound, and, well, the reliability.
They're very reliable.
They are. Tell us a little bit about the special Lamborghini racing pieces on this car. Functional roof scoop.
Absolutely. Active aerodynamics.
Active aerodynamics.
Designed for the track. This is going to be one of our most extreme super sports cars ever made. It's going to be right on for you, brand.
Oh, I love this. Who's excited to pull the cover off and reveal the next Lamborghini coming to Daily Driven Exotics? David, what are your thoughts on this new car that we're purchasing?
This is the one. This one's close to my heart. You'll know why soon.
Now, colors. Let's talk about colors really quickly. There's some special colors coming.
Yeah, there's going to be some new launch colors for the vehicle, special livery for this car. This is going to be a very, very limited edition
edition machine.
You guys, Dave, you need to stop touching the mirror of this customer's SVJ.
Oh my God, that's what I
because
do.
this is not ours. And our car is not here. And you're gonna have a little bit of an imagination and have a little bit of patience because we bought the brand new, it'll be the Lamborghini 2021 Huracan STO. That stands for Super Trofeo.
Omologato. Omologato.
We've been practicing that off camera for the last 10 minutes and I still couldn't remember the word. So that's what the STO stands for. This is the most extreme limited edition V10 Huracan to date. A chassis mounted wing, an actual functional roof scoop that comes like right up over the top of the roof. I'm excited to see this car. There are some launch colors. We can't talk too much about that yet, but we're gonna bring you guys all the details as they come to fruition for us. So how long until they're gonna actually reveal the car? As you've seen here, we're gonna show you some photos of the teasers with the prototype camo on it and all of that sort of stuff. You can see a lot of the car, but you can't quite see everything. When are we gonna see the full reveal, you think?
Probably gonna see it in summer of next year.
Summer of next year. So this is how far ahead of the curve, you guys, DDE is going to be able to be top of the list to get this car when it first comes out.
Cars from the future.
Cars from the future.
That's amazing.
We're working on a little special partnership with Lamborghini to do something when our car's completely finished, to bring it home where this car was bought and to do something fun in here. So stay tuned for that as well. We also have an Urus still on the list.
Yes.
So we're looking for the right Urus. And there's no secret, we are looking for an SVJ. And Patrick has he has a card up his sleeve. There is an SVJ kind of in our future that we're working on.
We're looking, we're finding.
A special spec.
Oh yes.
Very special spec.
Very special.
We actually had a little sneak look.
Super special, super veloce Jota.
We can't tell you guys anything more than that. I hope you're not mad. This isn't clickbait. We legit gave him money. This car is a done deal. Now we just have to wait. I'm ready. I'm really excited.
Have we done this before? Spec'd a brand new car, ordered it from the factory?
Never.
That's a DDE first right here. This is the exclusive.
So you guys stick around. Thank you to Lamborghini Vancouver for putting us in the queue nice and early. You guys come along for the journey. So in the meantime, we continue looking for one of these.
Yes.
Yellow would look good in the snow. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for coming along for the ride. Stay tuned as we continue to build the Huracan Evo Veloce Aperta Superleggera. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Smash the subscribe button if you want some YSOB merch. We have a brand new drop coming.
Now it looks better than yours, Dave, you son of a...
It is the Blacked Out series coming for Black Friday. We'll have a limited edition of that merch. It'll be at ysob.com. Go and check it out. Links are in description as always. If you guys want some DD merch, go and pick it up right now. We're going crazy. We're buying cars at Lamborghini. We're gonna have a massive fleet for 2021. As we round out this year, we have some more special surprises. So make sure you guys subscribe. And like that, we out of here. Huracan Evo Veloce Aperta. I just keep adding to this name, right?
And it's gonna be one more addition
And
to
when
the
we
name.
and when we take the roof out and it's got the lighter weight, we're
Yeah.
gonna call it the Superleggera.
So do the whole thing now.
So we'll do the Lamborghini Huracan Evo.
Aperta.
No, Veloce.
Veloce.
Huracan Evo Veloce Aperta Superleggera.
It's a lot of letters, guys.
It's fun. It's
all
what we
down the
do.
side of the
It's what we
door.
do.
The whole name of the car.
We butcher everything.